Namaskar all of you. So this is a new batch notification for Odisha Judicial Service. So recently 2019 result has come, 2020 notification has not yet come. So these batches basically are mainly for 2020-21 and both classroom and online. So this PDF you can download from the link in the description section. So these are our results of this year and the previous year, both our classroom students and interview batch students and test series students also. So why you should join Arohan classes? First thing is personal guidance. Since we insist on a very small batch of let's say 20 to 30 students, so you will get personal guidance. It's not like 70, 80 or 100 people are there in a class and it is basically a one-way communication where the faculty just teaches. Okay, it is a environment which gives you chance to interact with the faculty because we have a very small batch size of around 20 students. Next, this OJS classroom and online batches, these are all till success batches, means after the duration of the course you can continue till you crack the exam without any extra course fee. So small batch size of 20 students per batch to ensure writing skill development, because it's a written exam and you have to write and whatever you have written will be evaluated by the faculty in the class. Exclusive study materials and test series, most effective, cost effective education. If you compare our course fee with the course fee of some other institutions, maybe it is half or even 1/3 of the course fee which is being charged by them. Excellent previous results and study room and library facility is also available. So the new batches basically both online and also offline. Offline we have two centers at Bhubaneswar and Cuttack. Bhubaneswar we have two batches, morning batch is 10 am and evening batch is 6 pm, and at Cuttack basically it's an afternoon batch, so the time ranges any time from 2 pm to 6 pm. Okay, and those who cannot come to the class, offline class, so they can also take online class. So online, in the online batch you will get live classes also. Suppose you are unable to see that live class, you will get that class as a recorded class also. Okay, so the duration is for 10 months course duration and validity is till success, means till you crack the exam you can continue. Course fee is 30,000 rupees lump sum. This is both for classroom and online. 30,000 lump sum means one time payment if you are making, so it is 30,000 rupees. And in case you want to make it in installments also, you can make it, that is 35,000. Okay, that will be an addition of 5,000. So in 5 installments of 7,000 each you can do it. Okay, and this course fee includes your test series for prelims and mains. So if you have any doubts for the new batches which are starting in April, you can directly call or WhatsApp Suchandana madam. That is mainly for your Bhubaneswar regular batch and the online batches. You can directly call Suchandana madam 8144702660. If you directly want to call the office, Bhubaneswar office number is 76840544656. Bhubaneswar office will deal with your regular class at Bhubaneswar and also the online batches. Those who are interested for regular batch at Cuttack Center, this is the number where you can communicate, 73259045999. So I wish you all the best, those who are preparing for Odisha Judicial Service. Thank you all.